everybody, we are currently at Walgreens. As you can see, I am a little late on posting the video today. We went to my high school reunion last night. A lot of fun, had a lot of fun, and spent the night at my parents' house. So we just kind of took our sweet time coming back. So it is in the afternoon, but that is okay. So we're at Walgreens. I'm going to share with you guys some deals. I need 3 IBOTTA rebates to finish the Weekend Warrior, which I'll get $5, so we are definitely going to hit that. They have the $1 candy bars, so I'm probably going to see what we can do with that. But what I do is I go inside and I share with you guys all the deals that, you know, I can share with you guys, and then I show you my haul. Now, a lot of people were confused about this whole IBOTTA thing. IBOTTA is starting this deal where you cannot use coupons with certain deals. Certain deals you can stack with coupons, certain deals you can't. I know some people are like, I don't care. That's up to you guys. The only thing is, when you use coupons with those products, Walgreens receipts, they show a coupon on the bottom, but it always doesn't. Sometimes it says if it's an e-coupon, sometimes it might say what it is, so it does vary. I think using register rewards, in my opinion, I don't think will matter, because it's for your whole, it's hard to say, but I mean, you can also argue your way out of that with IBOTTA. So I don't know, it's a hit or miss, but we will see what goes on. But let's go inside and have some fun shopping like we always do. So here we have the soft soap body wash, or the Irish Spring body wash, for $4.99. Now, we did receive a $2 off digital coupon that you can use. You end up paying just $7.98, but then here when you buy 2 of them, you get a $5 register reward, making it $2.98. That's $1.49 each. But what you can do, if you guys got the paper coupon, is you can get 1 of each, however, whatever you want to do, mix and match. Use 1 of the $2 off digital coupons, and then we also have a paper coupon for the body wash, or for the soft soap or Irish Spring. I just cut off the body wash, but you end up paying $6.98. You'll get that $5 register reward, making it $1.98, or just 99 cents each. So here we have the soft soap hand soap. We got ones that are $2.49 and $2.99. So you can mix and match however you want to do, but we will do the $2.49 ones. So you're going to buy 4 of them at $2.49. You're going to use a 50-cent off digital coupon. You'll end up paying just $6.97 for the 4 of them, but then you'll get a $4 register reward when you purchase the 4 of them, making them $2.97, or just 74 cents each. Otherwise, you can do the $2.99 ones, buy 4 of those, and you could use that 50-cent off digital coupon. You'd pay $8.47 for it, but then you get that $4 register reward, making it just $4.47, or like $1.11, $1.12 each. So here we have the Vaseline Lotion for $4.99. I got this one for $4.99. I got the green bottle, and I think the cocoa one is in the wrong spot, for $4.99. They're currently buy one, get one 50% off, but I have 3 different digital coupons that we can use. So we have a $3.50 off of 2, we have a $1.50, and then we also have a $2 off digital coupon. You buy all 4 of them, you use those coupons, do not pay with Walgreens points or Walgreens cash on this deal. But you'll end up just paying $7.97. But then when you spend $12 or more, you get $3 cash rewards, making these just $4.97, or just $1.24 each. Here we have the Starburst Candies for $1. These are good IBOTTA items if you need that. But you'll pay $1 for these, and then there is a IBOTTA rebate for 25 cents back, making this just 75 cents. Along the same deal as the Crunch Bar, these are $1, and there is that 25-cent rebate, making these again 75 cents. So the deal, or the candy of the week that they're going to do until Halloween, is this week is the Crunch. We got the 100 grand. We also have the Baby Ruth and the Butterfinger, but they're on sale this week for $2.49. Now, we did get an insert coupon today for 2 off of 3, so you'll end up just paying $5.47, or that's just $1.89 a bag, which I think is a pretty great deal if you guys need some candy for Halloween or some candy for yourself. So here we have the Tresemme for 2 for $12. You're gonna buy 3 of them, and you're gonna use the 5 off of 2. Now you're gonna make sure that 2 of them are at least the same scent or flavor or kind, whatever. but you will end up paying just $13. And then when you buy 3 of them, you will get a $5 cash rewards, making them just, lost my spot, $8 or $2.66 each. So here we have the Renews-Its for 89 cents on sale. Now we do have a digital coupon for buy 4 get 2 free, so it basically takes $1.78. And I've always had problems off with this coupon, but I think it's because I get different scents. So I'm gonna try to get all 6 of them the same. So we're gonna get 6 of the same scents. You'll end up just paying $3.56, but then there is an IBOTTA rebate where you get $1 back, making it $2.56 or just 43 cents each. So here we have the Snuggle fabric softener for $4.99. It is currently buy 1 get 1 free, but we do have some coupons. We have the $1.50 off coupons for the regular Snuggle liquid, and then we did have some $2 off coupons, I forgot to put it in here, for the shakers, but my store is sold out of the shakers. But for this one, this ends up becoming just $3.49. That's $1.74 each, or the shakers would be $2.99. That's $1.49 each, which is still a good deal. Here we have the 7th generation dish soap for $2.49. You want to buy 2 of them, you would pay $4.98, but then you get a $2 cash rewards when you buy 2 of them. Comes out to be just $2.98 or $1.49. And we also have the wipes that are $2.99 also. So we have the 25 feet aluminum foil. This is the 50, but my store is sold out of the 25 feet. But this week they have it 2 for $2. That's a great deal. That's cheaper than the Dollar Tree if you guys need some aluminum foil. Here's an awesome moneymaker if you guys have this in clearance. So this was not price item, price scan it, and it was 63 cents. And I'm like, score, 63 cents for Oreos. But then I looked at IBOTTA, and there is an $1 rebate back with IBOTTA. This comes out to be a 37-cent moneymaker if you guys have this in your store. My store had them up by the photo department, so definitely get your Oreos and make it a 37-cent moneymaker. Deal we're gonna do, we're gonna get the Axe deodorant for $8.79, but you can actually price match it to $7.49. We're gonna grab 2 of those, and then we're gonna grab one of the degrees for $6.29. Now they are buy 1 get 1 50% off, so you can end up getting 2 of the Axes and 1 of the degrees. Now there is a $2 or 3 off of 2 digital coupon that you can use for the Axe. Otherwise we do have the buy 1 get 1 free coupon, but it will take off the 50% price, so I have to figure out what one's the better deal. But anyways, you're gonna do that. If I did the math correctly, you'll pay $11.78 for the 3 of those. But there is a shop kick deal where you get 550 kicks for purchasing the product and 70 kicks for scanning the product, which is 620 points, which comes out to be just $2.48. So your final price for all 3 of them come out to be $4.30 or $1.13 each, which is a pretty good deal. My store doesn't have the body wash in stock, otherwise you could get the body wash also, but that's not included for the buy 3, get the $5 cash rewards. I forgot to mention you get the $5 cash rewards also. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So, yes you guys, everything went out smoothly. Now I did do the Vaseline deal. I did that in a separate transaction because of the spend deal. But the $3.50 off of 2 came off, and the $2 digital coupon came off. The only one that did not come off was the $1.50. So I ended up giving them a $2 off insert coupon. So I'm trying to find, I got 3 bags here, you guys. And I got my bag. Okay, so I ended up getting 4 of these, okay? So $4.99 at buy 1 get 1 50% off. The $2 off digital, the $3.50 off of 2, and then I ended up using that $2 off insert coupon. If you can get that $1.50 off digital coupon, it comes to be $7.97, but since I did that $2 off insert coupon, it actually came to $7.47. But then you guys will get $3 cash rewards when you spend 12. So these come out to be just $4.47 or $4.97 for the 4 of them. So for $4.97, it's $1.24 each. Since I took I don't know, 15 cents off it, and came up probably be like $1.50, $1.15. So if you guys want to do that, go for it. I haven't bought Vaseline at Walgreens, and I don't remember. I used to remember always couponing for that stuff like crazy. So I got the Tresemme. Now the Tresemme was 2 for $12, and I bought 3 of them, and I used that 5 off of 2 coupon. You would pay $13 for that, but then you get a $5 cash rewards, making it $8 or $2.66 each. But I saw something where you're getting like double the rewards, so I ended up doing that, and I also bought the soft soap, and I ended up getting $10 of the cash rewards. So you actually, instead of get 5, it's like a double thing, but you get like a $10 cash rewards. So that's $3 for 3 of them. That's $1 each. That is a great deal if you guys can go ahead and do that. But yeah, I ended up getting $10.13 back, and that was for buying 3 of the Tresemme. And then I also bought the soft soap and the Irish Spring. These were $4.99. I used that $2 off digital coupon and that $1 off digital coupon. You would end up paying $6.98, but I did receive that $5 register reward, making it $2.98, or making it $1.98 or 99 cents each if you use that the 2 and the 1. Otherwise, if you guys just use the $2 off digital, it comes out to be just $2.98 or $1.49 each. So it just depends on what deal you guys want to do with that. But yeah, I got like 10 bucks extra out of that. Here is something I was super excited for. So these weren't priced. I'm like, okay, can you scan these? She's like, I don't think they're on clearance. And she scans them. She's like, Jennifer, you're not taking all of them. I says, no. I says, if you want some, you're more than welcome to. I just want at least 1. And there's only 3. She's like, well, I'm just gonna keep 1 because I don't need it. And I'm like, that's fine, I'll just take the other 2. She's like, guess how much they cost? I'm like, I don't know. She's like, they're 63 cents. And I'm like, are you serious? I'm like, sweet, 63 cents. I'll get them for 63 cents. Then I decided I'm gonna use, I've been scanning stuff with IBOTTA like crazy. There is $1 rebate for these, you guys. $1 rebate. This comes out to be a 37-cent money maker. So I ended up getting 2 of the packs of Oreos, because you can't go wrong with that. So I told her about IBOTTA, but a lot of people that I run into don't want to deal with the apps. They don't want to deal with that stuff. They rather just pay full price, which is fine. But she was still excited to get it for 63 cents. So like, everybody's different. Everybody's different. Couponing does take a lot of patience. It does take a lot of time. I mean, I'm okay if somebody has me do their shopping for them if they ever paid me to do it, but they'd still save money. So yeah, I ended up getting some Nestle Crunch candy. These were $2.49. Now the deal of the week used to be $1.99. Now they're $2.49. But anyways, we got a 2 off of 3 digital insert coupon in today's inserts, you guys. You would just get these for $5.47 or just $1.89 each. So if you need candy for Halloween, start now. I know I don't like doing a lot of the chocolate stuff because of the peanuts and everything. I like to give varieties of candy, but sometimes you have to eat that candy before Halloween, you know, you just can't control yourself. But yeah. So I ended up also getting a Hershey Crunch Bar, and I ended up getting a Starburst. I'm gonna eat this right now because my kids can't have it because I want some Starburst. But these were each $1. There is each a 25-cent rebate with IBOTTA, making these just 75 cents each. So I did hit my IBOTTA rebate for all that stuff, so I'll get to that when I get to it. And then I also did the Renews-Its. Now, the coupon did come off. I think it's because in the past I've like mixed and matched, and it took me this long to remember. So I ended up getting 6 of the Renews-Its for 89 cents. I used that buy 4, get the 2 free digital coupon, which is $1.78 off of 6, I think is what it is. But anyways, you would pay $3.56 for this, but then there is an IBOTTA rebate for $1 off of 3. Now, in order to figure out if the deal, if you work with coupons, you just have to kind of go down to the bottom, and it'll say, yes, you can use with coupons, or it doesn't say if you can't use it with coupons. Otherwise, it says you cannot use it with coupons. So every deal is different. But $1 off of 3, making these $2.56 or just 43 cents a piece, which I think is a great deal. And I haven't used one of these in a very, very long time. So I got that. So now the next deal I got is the Axe. And you want to get the Apollo. Now, my store, I forgot to have them price match these to the online price, so these came out to be $8 something. But if you can have them price match these to your online price for $7.49, they're buy one get one free. Okay, then these were $6 and, or not buy one get one free. Yeah, you guys, sorry. Buy one get one 50% off. Then you want to use this one. This was $6.29. There is a $2 off digital coupon for this one, and then I use that buy one get one free coupon. It actually scanned and took off the full price. For me, it was $7.47 is what the digital coupon took off of, but that was because it was $8 something. For you, it should take off $7.49. That's if it depends on how it rings out. But you would get all three of these for $8.03. And when you purchase and scan one of the products with the Shopkick app, you get 620 kicks. You get 70 kicks just by scanning it, and then you get 550 kicks for purchasing it, making it $2.48 back with Shopkick, and you get the $5 cash rewards, 55 cents. 55 cents for all three of these. That is a great, great, great deal if you guys can go ahead and do that. So my total came out to be just $26 even. $26 even. I did not pay that price. I always pay with points. I pay with register rewards, but these prices are not including the register rewards. So $26 is what my total came out to be. I ended up getting $5 worth of register rewards. That is the one $5 register reward. I ended up getting $23.53 back with IBOTTA. You guys, I'm just not here today. Oh my God, I got $23.53 back with points. I did 3 transactions. One I got $10.13 back. Another one I got $10.28 back. And the other one I got $3.12 back. So yes, I got all those back. $3.50 back is what I got from IBOTTA. That is $1 for the Renews It. And I got $2 back for the Oreos, and then 50 cents for the 2 candy bars. With Shopkicks, I received $2.48. With Fetch Rewards, 394 points, you guys. 39 cents. Yes. And then I finished the Weekend Warrior, so I got a $5 bonus. There's a bug. Making my final price just a $13.90 moneymaker. I got everything for free, and I made a profit, so I am pretty happy with everything that I got. Thanks for being patient with me, you guys, on posting the video late. I hate to miss Sundays. Like, you guys know me, I post every single Sunday as much as I can, but I just had to get out of town, and it was nice to like sleep in, which I couldn't sleep at all anyways. But anyways, that is my haul. Make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. Yeah. It's crazy, it's almost the end of the month of September already, and there is not going to be a Walgreens booklet after the 24th, so yeah, so we will see how that goes, and we'll also have to keep track of those IBOTTA deals. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all next time. See you later. Bye-bye.